Welcome to all. Continue the questions on ladder friction. 98. Make a note. Today we are solving three important questions. All three questions are same nature. What is the question I will tell you later. But academic examination point of view, this question is very, very important. This is the very popular question in examination. Okay. I will tell the question one by one. Simple questions. See. A ladder weighing 120 Newton per meter. So, make a note. See, read the question properly. I will explain. See, you just read the question first. I don't have to read. See, that work I don't do. Simply read whatever I wrote. You read here. So now, solve. When you solve, read the question once again. A ladder weighing 120 Newton per meter is 7.2 meter long. So those who want to make a note. See, first what you have to do? In the beginning, you have to do some preliminary part. Preliminary part you prepare. Then go to final sketch. You don't go there. See, do not go there now. No, sorry. Not this is preliminary. Sorry. Preliminary is here. See, I want this space. Don't see this side. See, first you do preliminary part. So don't see this side now. This is last when you are about to solve. So, a ladder weighing 120 Newton per meter means they are telling weight of ladder is 120 Newton per meter length. Meter is length of the ladder. That is, it is a case of uniform ladder. Understood. Is 7.2 meter long. See here. A, B, C I won't explain. 7.2 meter long. Therefore, you should write somewhere. Total weight of the ladder is, that is W. Total weight, you write here. Total weight of ladder, W equal to 120 Newton per meter. This next time I won't explain. This is 120 Newton per meter into total length is 7.2 meter. See now what will happen? Meter will cancel. It will come 864 Newton. 864 Newton. Now write. It is understood that the ladder is a uniform ladder. Therefore, this load will pass through center of the ladder. That is exactly here, center. If it is 7.2, from here to here is 7.2 by 2. Therefore, if it is 7, now therefore, if I project here, this length is 4.8. See, 1 meter now. So, later I will explain. Later you will be knowing this is 4.8. So, if you project here, this will be 4.8 by 2, 2.4 meter. Okay, then. The foot of the ladder is at 4.2 meter from the wall. See here, foot of the ladder, bottom of the ladder is 4.8 meter from the bottom. Now, angle is not given. Therefore, you have to find the height. See, this height you have to find. Height, what is total height? Say BC, right here. Total height BC equal to square root of 7.2 square minus 4. Minus how much? 4.8 square. 4.8 square. See, suppose they give length of ladder and angle, then you know it. This is 7.2 sin theta. This is 7.2 cos theta. But this time, they told inclined length and base length. So height you calculate by this way. Calculate. I have not calculated. That will come 7.2 square. Calculator is not on. 7.2 square minus 4.8 square equal to root answer equal to 5.3666 meter. Accurate answer. 5.3666 meter. Okay. That much meter. 5.3666 meter. Sometime I get doubt whether calculator is working properly or not. What I will do? 5.3666 square plus 4.8 square equal to root answer 7.2 meter. Okay. Now onwards, these all I will not explain. Then further. Angle of, see, they told angle of friction, that is phi. I told 1000 times for you. Angle of friction for contact surfaces of ladder with the ground and wall are respectively 16 degree, 14 degree. See, this contact surface is 16 degrees That contact surface phi is how much? 14 degrees. Once in a while, I will give phi. Okay, leave it now. Remember. So roughly make a note. This contact, oh, something went wrong there. I pulled the wire. Just 1 minute, I'll check it. Yes. See. Slightly camera moved this side. Little pull means. Okay, now okay. Okay, now okay. No, not still not okay. 1 minute, I'll adjust it so that sometimes it happens. Wire, when I moved there, the wire pulled the camera, so camera slightly moved. Okay, now it's okay. What is this? Okay. Okay, now these things happen sometimes. Time wasted. Okay. Now, I should be careful about the that wire now. Now see, 16 degree here, this contact is 16 degree, that contact is 14 degree. Okay, now what is the question? A man weighing, man or anybody, it can be a woman, it can be a girl, a boy or somebody, does not matter. Usually people tell man, usual practice. Maybe a laborer, he is doing some work there on the wall or anything. See, this type of ladder, usually people won't go. Anyway, that is not, usually examination has seen a man, okay. A man weighing 600 Newton, that is actually normal weight. 60 kg in our local or practical language point of view, his weight is 60 kilograms. That is in gravitational unit. Not my weight also is a little more than 60. A man weighing 600 Newton is ascending the ladder. So he is ascending the ladder. He want to start from here and go there. To which point? He want to start from A and go to C. Okay, C. Now, find how far he can move along the ladder. See, this next time I won't tell. The man is slowly, see, he is slowly, ladder is here. He is going in the ladder. Someone got doubt, the person who sent the question, he thought that the man cannot reach there. He had to stop somewhere. Or when he reaches a particular position, the ladder will slip. So he will fall down. Or actually when you are moving, when you are reaching that limiting stage, it can be felt, jerks will come. Maybe some precaution he will take. He will ask somebody, please come here and hold the ladder. That's all not our problem. Question is, find how far he can move. They want along the ladder before the ladder slips. So make a note here, how far he can move the ladder before the ladder slips means when the ladder is about to slip, understood. So therefore, once again, this is a case of limiting friction. See, when the ladder is slips, see, how far he can move along the ladder, understood. So it is a case of limiting friction. So right here, see, slips this way, FF limit at A comes down, FF limit at C. FF limit at A is, this is reaction RA, reaction RC, I won't explain. If someone will tell, sir, what is that RA, RC? Don't continue my class. After question number 98, we are reaching century. Now if someone will ask, sir, what is R means? You are not studying from me. So you write a usual note, let RA and RCB, I don't know what is that one. Okay, now, see, this is mu A RA. Mu A is 516 degrees. So I wrote here, somewhere here, see. Mu A is tan of mu A, tan of phi A, tan 16.2867. There, mu C into RC, mu C equal to tan of 14 degrees. You got the answer. Okay, now, I forgot one thing here. I forgot to write RC here. Okay, 0.67 RC. Okay, I forgot that one. Times RC, RA. Okay. Okay, now, over. These all preparation. Next two questions, this much I will not explain. Those who are serious, they will write everything what I dictate. So I will dictate this one. These all next time I will dictate. Preliminary part, you prepare a rough sketch. I will dictate. Now, what they want in the question, that's very important. See, what they want in the question. I will remove this one now. See, this is not required. Now this is not required. Now write a neat sketch of the ladder. See now what I written here. RA 0.2867 RA, RC 0.2493 RC, weight is 864, and horizontally, if this is 4.8, when this is 4.8 meter, this is 2.4 meter. Now, what they want, how far the man can move, we don't know. So, always remember, whenever a question is given, how far the man can move, you write a sketch here. See, let the man be at a point X, capital X. See, capital X is point, comma, at small x from A. A means base. Small x from A, base point. Always don't by heart A. If they give A, B, C, from B you have to write. From A, as shown. As shown means how is your x? See, as shown. One sketch right here. See, this is the rough sketch. See, this way is the sketch, rough sketch. Only show the position of man. This is A, this is B, this is C. Let it be somewhere. We don't know where. Place him. See, this point is X. So wherever he is standing, his weight is how much? Man weighing 600 Newton. We don't know where. See, Newton. He can be what? Very near to A or very thin. We are taking X from here. See, X is taken horizontally. I'll put here now. See, you take X horizontally. See, X this way. Because this way X. Now, somebody will ask a doubt. Sir, in the question they want how far he can move along the ladder. Sir, they want this distance. That you get later. See, when you take moment, you require this distance. Whether they want along this way or what height he will reach when the ladder slips, that all we will see later. First you get the value of X. See, first you get the value of X. So remember, this X will tell you, if I project the wherever man is standing, if I am projecting here, see now, one very important, this distance is how much? 4.8 meter. It is very, very important. 4.8 meter. Somewhere, okay, now place him here. See, you can place him here or you can place him here. Anywhere you place, but unknown point. You can't place him here. Unknown point. See, anyway, see, don't see anything. 600 X. We hope that he will cross the midpoint. If he is not crossing midpoint, X will come less than 2. See, now, if X comes less than 2.4, means he will not reach center of ladder. If X comes more than 2.4, means he will go beyond the center. That you will get after you get the value of X. Now, happily get X. Start. Now, I should not anything. I will do one thing to save the time. I will write solution because why? Now, nothing is there. What? Now, usual your mechanical steps of sigma fx0, sigma fy0 and sigma m0. So I will write, and to save the time, I will write here. Don't want to waste unnecessary time. So calculation, I will be careful. Okay, solved. There is nothing here. Sigma fx0 plus 0.2867 RA minus RC equal to 0. Equation number 1. Sigma fy0, actually waste of time telling, plus RA plus 2.2493 RC minus 864 minus 600 equal to 0. Equation number 2. Solving 1 and 2, you get RA and RC. X will come last. Lastly, take moment about A. See. Next time I won't tell this one. Minus RC into 5.3865, thousands of time told. Minus 0.2493 RC into 4.8, plus 864 into 2.4, and lastly, plus 600 into X by We took horizontal distance unknown. See, x equal 0. Very, very important. X came plus. The plus is very, 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 very important. See. Note positive sign for x. Sign. Okay, now concluding part for this one. What I will do is, I will remove this question and explain here. Some different possibilities are there. I will explain once, then I will not tell again and again. See, this question I will remove. Next is 99, next is 100, I will remember it. Okay. Next is 99, okay. I will explain here. Now, how to conclude the question? See. Next time x, x, y, y I am not writing. See, first write, there are total 3 possibilities. You write, make a note here, outside the question, you tell, hey x, you wait for some time. I will give conclusion, what answer required in the question, I will tell you later. You, sometime, you hold it. Hold, put on hold. Okay. There are 3 possibilities. Possibility 1 is, x is negative. Possibility 2 is x is positive, and for this question x is more than 0 but less than 4.8. That's very important, 4.8. Possibility 3, see, is x is positive, but x is more than 4.8 meter for this question. Actually, what you have to remember is x is positive. First, what? Negative. One question, one solution possible. Second, x is positive, lies after 0 within this length, whatever is this length in the question. Last possibility is x comes more than 4 point, not 4.8, this horizontal length. That is somewhere here it will come. Okay, now what it means? X negative, see, this will happen for next question. This happens for, this happens for next question. This is for this happened for this question. See, x is positive, but more than 0, less than 4.8. See, happened now. Next question is 99. Happened now. That is present question, 98, our present question. This will happen for further next question. Next to next question. Next to next. That is question century, 100. 100th question, we will celebrate. Okay, I'll tell you. We will put a very heavy man and we will celebrate it. I'll tell you why. See now. What negative? This will come for next. You write here. Don't worry about this question, that question. Negative means x is this side, or x cannot be negative, because negative means he is somewhere here. He has not still started ascending the ladder. That means the ladder itself is unstable. The moment you place the ladder, person is somewhere here. He is thinking of ascending the ladder. He told somebody, okay, put the ladder like this. Okay, someone will put the ladder like this. Then leave the hand. When he leaves the hand, ladder will slip. Why? There is no chance of person entering the ladder. So when x comes negative, next question I will write, negative sign for x indicates the ladder itself is not stable under its own weight. The moment it is placed at the given time with the given data, ladder will slip. So there is no question of the man ascending the ladder. Okay. X positive, more than 0, less than 4.8 is for this question. Therefore, that means yes, he is somewhere, see, it came somewhere here. Positive means what? This side. Of course, this is out of scale. See here. Don't see there, here. You got x 0.829 meter. This is 4.8. So when he travels along the ladder, horizontally when he moves by a distance of 0.829, when he reaches here, ladder will slip. Yes, correct. This is correct question. So it has got definite answer. Now they want to calculate what is this length. Using trigonometry you can get, or they can ask you at what height the person will be there when ladder slips. You find this height. Okay, that I will tell you now once I close this discussion. So if x is, see, when I took x this side, it should be more than 0, less than 4.8. Okay, this is our present question. I will dictate it now. I will solve it here. Next, last chance is x is positive but more than 4.8 meter. Means he is somewhere here. He will leave the ladder. See, that means the ladder is very stable. As the man ascends, nothing will happen. Even he reaches the topmost point, nothing will happen. He can go further. When he goes further, he is not in the ladder. Means he can safely go through the ladder. So the question of ladder slipping does not arise, since the x value came more than, don't by heart 4.8 meter, more than this length, that AB length, horizontal length AB, means the man can safely ascend the ladder. He can reach the topmost point and then he can further go. He can go here. Maybe after reaching here, he will go here and have coffee. He can go there and enjoy the views, outside views. Ladder is still there. So that is positive. Means the question how far the man can ascend along the ladder does not arise at all, because wherever he is standing, even from here, even up to reaching here, ladder will not slip. See, when the man stands here, how we can influence the ladder? So that means if you get a negative sign, means ladder itself is unstable, no question of ascending the ladder. Positive sign between 0 to 4.8 means yes, at some particular point when he is standing, ladder will slip. More than 4.8 means there is no question of man slipping, ladder is very, very stable, so he can safely go through the ladder, right? No chance of slipping. Okay, now there are two, other than these three cases, two unique cases are there. Unique or very, very rare. Maybe 1 in a crore chance. If 1 crore question given, one question it may happen. If 1 crore question randomly given, I can set the question if I want. No, not setting. Randomly given, but theoretically possible. When a question is given, it will not happen. See, that is, special cases, one of them is x equal to exactly 0. X is exactly equal to 0. Means the moment he is standing here, he is about to ascend the ladder, ladder will slip. Therefore, the ladder is on the verge of slipping. So man can come up to foot of ladder and stand like this. Ladder is shaking. See, ladder is shaking there. You can see the ladder little shaking there. It's on the verge of slipping. So he cannot ascend. 0. Very, very rare case. Or one more chance is x is 4.8 meter. Very, very rare chance. That means the person horizontally will go 4.8 means when he is standing at the topmost rung or is at the topmost of ladder, the worst case, even then ladder will not slip. It is on the verge of slipping. When he is standing at the top, he can feel the shake. In the beginning, nothing he can feel. As he goes up and up, his tension is more and more. So when he reaches the topmost point, he can feel, he will tell something wrong, ladder is shaking, ladder is shaking. Okay. He can jump that side and survive. Okay, therefore, that's a unique case. It will never happen. Okay. Now, all this over. Now I will come back to this present question. That solution earlier I put on hold. Okay, I will come out of hold now. See, right here. Now, next time 2 questions briefly I will solve. See, so now question continue. Our present question continue. See here. Question continue. Which one? Our question is 98. Present question. So x got 0.829, right? Therefore, the ladder will slip. Ladder will slip when the man covers a horizontal distance, see, not along the ladder, horizontal distance of how much? 0.829 meter, 829 meter from foot of the ladder, ladder will slip. That means, see here, he is standing here. His weight is how much? His weight is 864 Newton. See, if I project here, this length is how much? Your x equal to 0.829 meter. 829 meter, but they want what is this length? See, they want this length. Let it be L dash. Let it be L dash. They want that length. L dash. Okay, now get the L dash. You got two options for you. See, you got two options for you. L dash. How? See, L dash divided by x. L dash divided by some similar triangles. See here, L dash divided by x equal to this full length of ladder is how much? Is 7.2. Full length of ladder divided by 4.8. See here, you can write here. Okay, I'll remove this one now. See, the full length of ladder is 7.2 meter and horizontal base is 4.8 meter. See here, similar triangles. L dash divided by x equal to 7.2 divided by how much? 4.8 meter. So you get the value of L dash. That will be, there's a calculator here. 7.2. Substitute x equal to how much? Substitute x equal to 0.829 meter. I forgot to write one thing here. See, one thing you got right here. Substituting for which one? RC and RB. Substituting for RC. Okay. If that much is not clear, don't study my class. Okay. L dash will come 7.2 by 4.8. Calculator is not on. 7.2 divided by 4.8 into 0.829 meter will come 1.2435 meter. So your final answer is right. Final answer. The ladder will slip. The question is how far along the ladder the man can move, ascend. The question is along the ladder. See, horizontally you got it. Unknown point of view, you want horizontal only. How far along the ladder the man can ascend before the ladder slip means answer is the man can ascend a distance of 1.2435 meter along the length of ladder, that is somewhere here. When he moves that much distance, ladder will slip. The maximum answer possibly 7.2 meter. Okay. Now, or make a note, or you can do one more thing. If you sometime remember, length of ladder is not known. You know horizontal, vertical. Then you can do one thing. You find theta. See, you can do one more thing. See here. You find theta here. See, one more option is there for you. This also you can do. Next time I'll do that way. You know, not because see. Imagine theta. This is 7.2 meter. Okay. This is total 7.2. This is 7.2 meter. This is 4.8 meter. Therefore, your cos theta, if you know this side, tan theta you take 4.8 by 7.2. So your theta will come. If you don't like similar triangles, you can do this way also. See, 4.8 divided by 7.2, shift tan inverse answer is 33.690 degrees. Then see, mark the point here. The person is standing here. See, person is standing here at a point x. This we got x equal to how much? X we got 0.829 meter. 0.829 meter. This I took L dash. L dash. You can do one thing now. See, use this triangle. Cos theta equal to this small triangle. Your x divided by L dash. Substitute theta. Substitute x. You get the value of L dash. How much L dash? X. How much x we got? 0.829. See, 0.829 L dash x divided by cos theta, divided by cos of 33.69 is 0.996 meter. How much? How? 1 nisha. 4.8 divided by 7.2 is shift tan inverse. Answer is 33.69 degrees. Then cos theta equal to x divided by L dash. 0.829 divided by cos of 33.69 is 0.996. Then what happened here? It is coming L dash 0.996 meter. How much you got here? 7.2 by 4.8. Anything wrong in the calculation? Cos theta is 4.8 by 7.2. Okay, what is wrong here? Something wrong. X L dash equal to 7.2 by 4.8. 7.2 is correct, no? Is 7.2 correct? I forgot the length only now. Okay. 7.2 divided by, just I check the height. 7.2 square minus 4.8 square equal to root answer equal to, yes, correct answer. 7.2 L dash by x equal to 7.2 by 4.8. So your L dash will come here. Where is L dash? 7.2 by 4.8 into x. 7.2 divided by 4.8 into x is 0.829 meter. Is 1.2435 meter. What happened here? Cos theta equal to 4.8 by 7.2. What is wrong here first of all? 4.8 divided by 7.2 equal to shift. Oh, cos inverse. What I am doing? I am taking see, foolish behavior. Usually when you find the angle, you take tan theta, correct? Habit is always tan. My hand move to tan theta. Okay, shift. See, okay, no problem. See, this shows I am also human being. See, 4.8 divided by 7.2, shift cos inverse answer 48.1896 degrees. 96 degrees. Now calculate L dash. How much you are getting? L dash equal to x. How much x? 0.829 divided by cos of 48.1896 is 1.2435 meter. 1.24, see, same as that answer. 1.2435. See, these mistakes if I commit, it is not technical mistake. My hand moved to tan. Why? In structure engineering, almost any calculation of angle, 90% calculations are based on tan theta. So without knowing, my hand moved to tan theta. I thought height given and base given. Actually, base given, hypotenuse given. So, see, I am also human being, but it is I am telling correctly cos theta only. But calculate, if they give this height in the question, then correct tan theta. Okay, what to do? Correct answer. Okay, now, or make one more note. Suppose they ask you from what height the man will fall down. Then let the height be, see, this is x, let it be y dash. Here also, let it be y dash. Okay. Here, if you do this way calculation, see what happens then? See, y dash divided by this height. How much it is? This height is, what is height there? I forgot that height only. It is somewhere there. Where is that height? 5.3665 meter. See, 5.3665 meter. Suppose in the question paper they ask you from what height the man will fall down. Then also first find x only. See, make a note. Then also first find x only. So how much x you will get? 0.829. Then what you do is, let it be y dash. Then, see, from similar triangles, 5.3665 divided by 4.8 equal to, from what height you will fall down, that y dash divided by x. X is 0.829. You will get the value of y dash. From what height you will fall down? 5.3665 divided by 4.8 into 0.829. That is 0.9268 meter. Or if I use this way calculation, then once you get x value, use what? If you use this calculation, write tan theta equal to y dash divided by x. Substitute x equal to how much? 0.829 meter. My guarantee, your y dash will come, see, 0.829 into tan of 48.1896 will come 0.9268 meter. See, I told 0.9268 meter. So, question can be asked in different ways. How far along the ladder he can move? Make a note after the question is over. How far along the ladder he can move? Even then, take x unknown, using trigonometry or similar triangles, get this length. Or they can ask, from what height the man will fall down. Then also calculate x by, when you take moment about a, see, we want this distance. Then also you take this as x. Once you get x, similar triangles or trigonometry, get this y dash. Or they can tell how far the man, what is the position of the man horizontally from the base, means they are asking you x only. See, suppose they ask, when the ladder slips horizontally, what is the position of the person horizontally with respect to base, means they are asking x only. Okay, all these are clear. Now I will solve next question 99 and 100. Both the question briefly I will solve. Now everything is told for you, nothing remaining. So very briefly I will write the question. Preliminary part you have to do it. Okay, 1 minute. I got a little bored of writing the question. So question is 99. A ladder is placed as shown in figure. See, or if you are very much interested, write by words. A ladder is placed against or placed and is leaning on a vertical wall. A ladder is placed so that the top of the ladder is 2 meters above ground level and the bottom of ladder is 5 meters from the wall. Okay. Coefficient of friction at the bottom of the ladder and top of ladder are respectively 0.15 and 0.18. Then weight of ladder is 700 Newton and center of gravity of the ladder is at 2.5 meter along the ladder from bottom. See, along ladder you go by 2.5 meter, means it need not, see, this 2.5 is not 5 is something else. See, this is 2.5, not this way 2.5. So if this is 2.5, when you project, this will not come 2.5, it will come 2. See, suppose they tell center of gravity is at 2.5, horizontal distance from bottom means correctly center. But they are telling this way 2.5. That's why I told 2.5, to give you confusion. Over. A man weighing 750 Newton, 75 kg, little heavier than me, is ascending the ladder. Find how far he can move along the ladder before ladder slips. Now, first perform or preliminary. See, RA, 0.15 RA, RC, 0.18 RC. Then, right here, as usual, statement you write, let the man be at a point x, at x, at x horizontally from A as shown when ladder slips. Ladder slips. You write the statement. Okay. Over. So at x, we don't know. Start. Now question is over. Angle is not required. See. Sigma V0 plus RA plus 0.18 RC, well, sigma fx first, plus 0.15 RA minus RC equal to 0, equation 1. Sigma Fy 0 plus RA plus 0.18 RC minus 700 minus 750 0, equation number 2. Solve 1 and 2, you get RA and RC. Lastly, take moment, same as last time question. See, minus RC into 2 minus 0.18 RC into how much? 5 plus 700 into 2.3212. Somebody will ask, sir, how you got that 2.3212 meter? Sir, it is 2.5. Why 2.5? Sir, they told at 2.5. 2.5 along the ladder. This is not 2.5. Sir, then how you got it? You use your mathematical technique and get this answer. Or let me complete the question. Then I will explain. Right now, put on hold. Okay, hold. Okay, so plus 700 into 2.3212 plus 750 into x equal to 0. Then substitute for RC. Your x will come minus 1.3476 meter. Okay, now conclusion in the class. Write a note here. Negative sign for x indicates that the man cannot even ascend the ladder, or even when the man is outside the ladder, he won't ascend. When they place the ladder like this, the ladder is unstable, it will slip. So there is no question of man ascending the ladder. Therefore, over question. Don't calculate what along the ladder now. Nonsense it becomes. Okay. Now, I will tell you how this number came. Okay, I will pause for 20 seconds. You should pause for 20 seconds and think a little. Think. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 20 seconds. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Over. If you got the answer, congratulations. Otherwise, see, you should have a mathematical capacity. See, what you do here is see correctly. By chance, see here, preliminary part. I'll put somewhere here. Okay, this side, okay, here. See. They told weight of ladder is here. How much weight of ladder? 700 Newton. They told, see, they told this length is 2.5 meter. So what you do? So now you want this length. How much here? See, if this is 2.5 meter, we want this length. So for, see, this length is known for you. How much? 5 meter. So before that, you find length of ladder. The length of ladder equal to root of 5 square plus 2 square. 5 plus 2 square equal to 5.3852 meter. Therefore, now this length will be equal to, see, 2.5 in 5.3852 is 2.5. That is for a length of what? 5.3852 multiplied by this length, 5. That will give you 2.3212 meter. First of all, remember, this all I told in the first class of ladder friction. Nearly more than 1 hour, 1.5 hours I taken. Everything I told. So if you are serious and study, this problem will not come. Okay, now the last question, century question for friction. Question number 100. This time I will do one thing. We will celebrate this question. See, century question. Okay, 1 minute. I will write the question and explain to you. See, again, to save the time. Now, last question of the ladder, that is today's class last question. That is somebody is ascending. Question number 100. This is question number 100 for friction chapter. Okay, critical question and little danger question also. You can make out later. Dangerous question. Okay. A ladder, now I got bored of writing statement all. Ladder of length 20 meter, weighing 600 Newton per meter, as shown in figure. A ladder of length 20 meter is as shown in figure. Is as shown in figure. Or if you want very much by words, you write a ladder of length 20 meter weighs 600 Newton per meter. 100, okay, 600 Newton per meter. Okay, then it is placed on a rough horizontal plane or ground where coefficient of friction is 0.685 and the ladder is leaning against a smooth vertical wall at an angle of 40 degree with the wall. With the vertical they are given angle. So later if they give 40 degrees, those who find difficulty, you can take this 50 degrees. Okay, your choice. You can either operate for 40 and 50, sin cos you can decide. So remember, this length of ladder is 20 meter. Okay, this I am entering now, not given in the question. Actually see, first of all, question given is this much only. Okay, a man weighing 2000 Newton, that comes out to be around 200 kilograms. Don't get panic. See, in India, average weight is 65, 70, 75. Some people even 85 kg or 90 kg or 100 kg. 1 kg is almost 10 Newton. So usually what? Average weight, my weight is around 68 kgs, that is 680 Newton. So sometimes 90 kg, 900 Newton, or sometimes 120 kg, 1200 Newton. This person is 2000 Newton. Means little heavy. India you don't get usually. Some Western countries I have seen, their weight is more than 150, 180 kgs. So that way. See, their body also is so strong. Sometimes wrestling all. See, WWF, worldwide WW, free wrestling somewhere. You can see people like this. Okay. Now, make one more thing. I am not making fun of the people who got more weight. It is natural. See, those things you should never make fun. But I want a question interesting. So I have no intention of hurting anybody. He is making overweight person is considering only for what? Understanding the question, my purpose. I never, physical disability or some, see, other things, body, all is not in our hand. We cannot do anything. So therefore 100% I am not making any insult. I don't want to make any insult or for a fat. I never use that word. See, little more weight. Or if you feel hurt anybody, you do one thing. A man weighing, okay, 120 kgs with their weight of 800 kg on his head. So somebody is going there, his weight is 1200 Newton, see, and over his head there is a weight of 800 Newton. So together weight become 2000. Now happy. Okay. He is ascending the ladder. Find how far he can move along the ladder from bottom when the ladder slips. See, last time question what happened was, some statement of the previous question was not removed. I saw the statement 2 times there. But I dictated. You correct the question. I think one part of the previous question was not erased. So question you can make out when I ask. Okay, now start. First you do, see, write the sketch. Do preliminary part. See, first of all, I should not explain preliminary part for you. See, first of all, I should not explain. This point I will call A, this point B, this is C. Okay. Then usual preliminary part. What? RA, friction this way, point is 0.685. See, this is 0.685 RA, and here RC, that's all, no friction. Why no friction? Smooth. Okay. Then total length of ladder is given 20 meter. Weight is 600 Newton per meter. Multiply, you will get 1200 Newton understood through center. So if this is center of this length, this is center of this length. Now, using this, see, this length is given how much? 20 meter. Dangerous ladder. 20 meter. And this angle is 40 degrees. This is 50 degrees. So use trigonometry. This all I explained. Get question mark means not wrong. You have to get it. Okay. All this you do it. Now, as usual, solve. Again, write the statement. I am dictating. Let the man be at a point X at horizontally X from the base when the ladder slips. See, full tension. See the height here. 15.321 meter means nearly 5-floor building. 5-floor, that is maybe it's a construction site where outside painting going on. So lean up to 5th floor ladder is there. Suppose when he is near to the ladder, if ladder slips, nothing will happen. Suppose he reaches almost top, about to reach the top, then if the ladder slips, terrible. He will fall from a height of nearly 15 meter means 5-floor height. We hope or pray that that man is safe. Okay, we pray for him. We pray God that you safely ascend the ladder. He is making a challenge now. Okay, start. Sigma Fx0, 0.685 Ra minus Rc is 0. Sigma Fy0, Ra minus 1200 minus 2000 0. Ra will come. Substitute in 1, Rc will come. Take moment about this point. Minus, these are all over how many times I don't know. Minus Rc into 15.321 plus 1200 into 6.428 plus 2000 into x equal to 0. Substitute for Rc, x will come 12.935 meter. We should celebrate. See, from here to here is, see this x value right here, the x value you got is more than 12.856 meter. Therefore, positive you got, see positive. That means it is celebration time. We are all watching him ascending the ladder. Ladder will slip theoretically when he covers a horizontal distance of 12.935 meter from here to here. When he reaches here, it is 12.856 meter. So since the value of x is more than 12.856 meter, you write there, ladder will not slip. He can go to top of ladder and happily go further. Okay, right here. Because answer is more. Or along length of ladder, length will come more than 20 meter. If you have trigonometry, along length of ladder, if you calculate by trigonometry, it will come more than 20 meter. So, safe. Now, 1 minute. This question is set by me for a narrow escape. See here, 12.856, 12.935, 12.856 is almost 12.9. That is 0.1 meter. The man has just reached the top. The ladder is almost about to slip, but luckily he will escape. Celebration for us. I wanted, see, I do not, in the question, I can, sometime in the class earlier, I used to make him fall down. Then I decided I should not do it. That is called negative thinking. Allowing a person to fall from 15.3 meter is not a good, what you call, mental attitude. So I decided, I told them, see, if the answer comes only 12.85 meter, that is when he is when he is almost reaching the top, suddenly ladder will slip. No, should not happen. So this time, that's why question number 100 is celebration time. We will celebrate. Oh, with anxiety we are watching him. Now somehow he escaped. Okay. All this question study thoroughly. I will go to next class. We will continue with more questions. Thank you. Next class we will meet.